Prince Pipes and Fittings Ltd, a PVC pipe manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 1987 and got listed on NSE and BSE in 2019. They are based in Mumbai, with more than 900 employees and 2,400 workers. They have 7 manufacturing plants located in Haridwar, Jaipur, Athal, Dadra, Kolhapur, Telangana, and Chennai, with a production capacity of 338,959 metric tons per annum. Company is setting up a new manufacturing plant in Bihar, which is expected to be operational by Q4 of 2025, which will add an additional production capacity of 50,000 metric tons per annum. The market cap of the company is 6,976 crore rupees, and currently trading at 631 rupees per share. The company has a 18% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 2% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company is almost 100% debt-free. Company offers piping solutions, plumbing products, water storage products, wire protection, and sanitary ware products. Some of the well-known brands of the company are Prince Piping Systems, Trubone Piping Systems, Stowfit, Cablefit, and recently launched Prince Bathware. Company has secured product collaboration with German-based Haridwar and Skoll & Safe. They also secured collaboration with US-based Lubrizol, a global leader in CPVC compounds, and technical collaboration with Netherlands-based Tooling Holland, a global leader in international plastic injection molding industry. With these collaborations, company aims to bring innovative and global products to the domestic market. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company dropped last year. This is due to increase in expenditure. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a small portion of foreign investments and a large portion of domestic investments in the company. Coming to some key highlights. Company is India's largest integrated piping solutions providers. In 2021, company entered into the list of Fortune 500 companies in India. In 2023, company was listed under the 500 most valuable companies in business today. In March 2024, company acquired bathware brand Athal from Klaus Varon Fixtures for rupees 55 crores. Company offers more than 7,500 diverse products. They export to 12 countries and have more than 1,500 channel partners, with a revenue concentration of 1% from exports and 99% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.